This connector is an 𝗬𝗍𝗶𝗆 connector, and is a connector specifically designed to connect internal threads. In this case, I have an 𝗬𝗍𝗶𝗆𝗆 that is suitable to connect half-inch threaded holes. Is a connector studied to simplify and make the testing faster. The main feature of this connector is that is completely made in stainless steel, so you can use this kind of connector to test with every kind of medium: gas, oil, water, compressed air, every kind of gas. So there are no problems to use this kind of connector in various kind of testings. It's a connector that has the flow in line. We have no angles, we have no pressure drops, and the central duct in which the flow flows is very large. This is very important during the testings. Works in a very easy way. Is a manual activated connector, is a push-pull connector, has no other encumberment outside of the connector, so it's very compact as general size. I show you how it works. Just push the connector in the hole, and when you see that the red ring appear, that means that the connector is completely connected and correctly connected. If I turn this red pin, I insert a very important safety system so that the disconnecting sleeve, this green one, cannot be moved, and the connector has no possibility to disconnect. If I move back the pin on the red ring, now it is easily impossible to disconnect the connector, just pulling back the green sleeve. This connector can be used for testing products that has to be tested 100%, and the test parameters required can be very high, very important, starting from 0 bar or vacuum up to 400 bar. We also have a particular version of this kind of connectors that could be used also with higher pressures. In this case, we have a water pump that normally after the mounting has to be tested, and to be tested has to be connected mechanically and sealed. Using this kind of connector, the operator that makes the test cuts 100% the time to connect and disconnect, because the operations of connecting and disconnecting are available in a very fraction of seconds. The particular internal construction of this kind of connector permits to add also a check valve inside, so that when it is required, the flow is closed when the connector is disconnected, and as soon as you make the connection, the internal valve opens the flows. This is very important because when you disconnect, you don't want to lose the testing liquid. The check valve closes all the flow inside of the pipe.